Welcome to another Mondays with Mia. Today we are going to fix, replace, and clean my differential seal on my 1948 CJ2A for those people who are new.
And I'm your dad.
Yep.
Welcome. Thanks for introducing me. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to drain the oil. Then we're going to pull all the bolts on the diff cover. Okay, and then pop the diff cover off, clean it, reseal it, put oil back in it, and it should be good to go. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's pop your seal, or pop your plug.
This one?
Yep. All right. Okay. The gun's going crazy. All right.
Okay, so...
Good. So the first one, you undo halfway, okay? And then go through the rest.
Okay. Off.
Job.
Yep. Good. Nope. Okay. And this one?
Yep.
This drill's pretty strong to
Yes,
do this.
It is. Good thing it's not a drill. It's an impact.
Oh. Well, I'm still learning.
I know. It's weird. I thought you preteens were supposed to know everything. All right, you know what that tag is?
No.
You clean that off. What are the numbers on there?
Seems like 43 and then 8.
Yep. Okay. If you divide those two numbers, that will tell you the gear ratio that is in this axle. So 43 is how many teeth are on the ring gear. 8 is how many teeth are on the pinion. Okay. So if you divide that, you get...
So 8 times 5 equals 40. So that would make this 5 remainder 3.
Right. So that would give you 5.38 for a gear ratio. Okay?
I'll just plop it in this little square thing.
All right. Okay, keep going.
It's still in there. Don't want to drop it in the oil.
Nope.
Plop.
We're gonna have to redo your brake lines on here. Those are very cute, but can be problematic if you get some stuff caught up in here. So people do this because they can't buy the exact right brake line. So we have a flaring tool so we can cut this down and make the brake line the perfect length. Whoever did this last just bought brake line and de-looped it and put it on, which is not how we do things.
So what do I do now?
Okay, so you got them all out except for one?
Yep.
Perfect. Grab your hammer, smack it right here.
Just like this?
Yep. There you go. See how it broke loose? Okay, now you pull the diff cover like that.
Okay.
Usually oil will come out, but it's like you're good. So now you hold your diff cover, take the last bolt out by hand.
Will this be heavy?
No. There you go. Do you want to use your gun?
Nah. Am I turning it the right way?
I don't know, are you turning it?
Yeah.
Okay. Doing good.
Almost there, I think.
It's almost Christmas. Oh, don't drop it in the oil. All right, what do we got? See, we got a little bit of silicone. Yep. Wow, they really did it. No gasket and super thin. No wonder it leaked. Okay, let's move that up like that. Okay, now get your rag. Wipe off the oil on there.
Okay.
I'll get you set up with your next tool.
I think it's
You gotta scrub it. So pick one spot, you're just moving all over the place. Okay? You gotta really dig in. Okay, see that? I'm gonna keep trying to find the wire wheel.
That took forever.
Okay, got it?
Yep.
All right, good job. Did you wipe it down? Trying to find my blue towels, but
Okay.
can't find those either. What are we looking for?
Jeep glue?
Jeep glue, right.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's how I like to do this. Scoochie, this way, please. Where are you going? Where are you going? This way. Okay, so you always roll your silicone, okay? Roll the end of the tube, okay? That way, get all of it. Sometimes the end will,
Like with toothpaste?
yep, just like with toothpaste, okay? Then you squeeze it, okay? And then I like to just put a nice layer on here. Okay. So why don't you do that? Okay. Take
Okay.
this gunk off. There you go. Okay, grab me some more.
All good.
Okay.
And my hands are cold.
Okay, you gotta make sure you don't go too thin. Otherwise it won't seal, kind of like the last one. Okay, you're going kind of thin. And then I always see how I coated half of this one, or a little more than half. Because when the oil sits, it's generally sitting here. Okay? So this is the most important part to seal. Up here is important too, but it isn't under near as much need for sealant. So anyway, let me show you. You're a little bit thin, because when we bolt it down, you want the silicone to kind of squish out. You know what I mean?
Like the other one?
Yeah. So take that. You want to see how I could see the numbers that were imprinted in there? That tells me that it's very thin. Okay? You don't need a mountain of it, but just, you know, at least a little bit so it will.
Just enough?
Yep. Okay, that's gonna be good. Take that, spread that. Okay. All right, now the fun part. Okay, where's our lid? Make sure we put that back on.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now you're gonna take your cover, try and hold it by the top, okay, and not put your hands where you just put all the silicone. Okay, there you go. Now, what you're gonna do, I like to take a bolt, one bolt, and the gun. You can do it by hand, or like this. Okay, you got to be careful. I've done this for a long time, so I'm good at not cross-threading it. Let's get some of that gunk out of there. But let's let you do it because this is your first time. So take and put this in the hole, and you can look at all your others to make sure they're lined up like that. Okay, you want to make sure it's all lined up. And then here, I'll hold it for you.
Okay.
And you go ahead and put your bolt in and start threading it. I'll hold your diff cover.
Oh, jeez.
So that's why I like to use the gun, because it's way quicker and easier. Okay, got it?
Yep.
Let's check it. So once you have 2 bolts in, then you're good to go. It's not going to go anywhere. So put another bolt in.
Okay.
Put this bottom one in.
At the bottom?
Yep.
My hands are sticky.
Well,
And that's
okay. So now you put all the rest of the bolts in.
Where is the plug?
Go ahead and put your plug in. I'll put the rest of your bolts in.
Okay.
Counterclockwise. There you go. Okay, once you get it tight as you can with your fingers, put that in there. Tighten it up. Okay, go ahead. All right, let me check it. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, got one more bolt, and then you can go ahead and tighten them all up with the impact.
Okay.
Okay, now go ahead and run them all down as hard as you can. That gun won't break them, I promise.
That is kind
Okay. Yep, just keep going around. Doesn't matter what order.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
Just push it back on. There you go.
Come on, get on the...
There you go. Hold
Careful.
on tight to it. Remember, you got to control it. Don't let it control you. One more.
My arms are tired.
Your arms are tired? I have to start having you do push-ups.
What?
We're going to have you start doing push-ups.
What?
That doesn't work if you're not on a bolt. All right. Okay, we got our plug in. Got your bolts tight. Go ahead and break your fill plug loose.
Which way?
How many different ways are you gonna try it? That? Oh, you want to make sure it's tight first? Okay. Come on. It's only been in there 70 years. Oh, you're tightening it again? So do you want the right size now?
Wait, what? You gave me the wrong size.
Yeah, seeing if you're gonna catch it.
I'm seriously using all.
All right, sometimes if you lack the muscle, you can use leverage.
Huh.
Okay, put the end wrench back on there. See, will that fit over your end wrench? Yep, don't put it all the way. Don't put it all the way up or you just lost all your leverage. The longer it is, the more leverage you're creating. Okay, so now push at the bottom of the pole. There you go, push. Push.
I'm pushing.
Okay. Well, I'm waiting. All right, you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out.
You're stronger.
A little bit. I thought you said it was gonna be hard.
That.
I didn't even need that. All right. Okay, pull it out.
Oops. Okay. It's out.
Okay. All right.
Looks like an ice cream cone. Kinda.
That does not look like any ice cream cone I've eaten.
Looks like the shape of an ice cream cone.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's bring your ice cream tray over here.
Ice cream tray.
You got me wanting an ice cream now.
We can have ice cream later.
Okay,
Like
where's
that?
your... Make sure you always have your fill plug handy, because you're gonna need it in a hurry.
Wait, what?
What? Okay, now you're gonna move this so you can get to your handle. Hold it straight. Start pumping oil in there.
I'm nervous. What if it spills?
It's going to. Okay, just let that be. Sure wish I had a fancy pump like this when I was your age. Keep going. Pump it. Oh, there's good. Okay, hold on. Let me show you something. Okay, if you put that there, okay. Now look inside the diff, okay?
Okay.
So can you see in there? You look, you can see the oil. See how it's full?
Yep.
So that's how it's running out. So go ahead and put your plug in. The thread on that is called it's a pipe thread. So it seals by just turning it. If you ever put it in correctly. There you go. Okay. Tighten it as much as you can. Wipe it off.
Oh, why?
Okay, now get your end wrench there. Crank her down. There, everything you got. Good job. All right. I'm gonna give her a little snug.
Yeah.
Okay. Good?
Yep.
Good job. All right.
Yep.
Well, now the rear axle is no longer leaky.
Yep.
So we will finish later tonight by doing the front end. But
Yep.
that's all for our video tonight.
Yep.
So thanks for watching.
And make sure to like and subscribe and comment because I love reading the comments. And
Don't forget to also turn on your alerts so you know when we are posting our shorts and videos so you can get alerted. Huh.
yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.
Bye.